ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. That's right, there's one more, and we are so lucky. And I can't tell if it's a motorcycle behind me or a car. That's a car with one headlight. That's hot. Alright, yeah, we're in Jersey. Once again, we are in the dirtiest of Jerseys. And once again, I'm going to Nutley, because that's like pretty much the only place I go to in New Jersey. To me, New Jersey is basically Nutley. And that's that. And it's a gorgeous day. I'm going to a Christmas party. It's Christmas time. And there's no snow. There's nothing. It's freaking warm. It's like damn near 60 degrees. It's 50 something right now. And I'm a little bit overdressed in this April Apparel Divide jacket. But the idea is that tomorrow it's going to be actually much chillier. So this is anticipation for tomorrow. And it's funny, I'm feeling kind of antisocial, so I'm not exactly sure why I'm going to a party with like 28 people who confirmed RSVPs. That seems like a lot of people, but it's all good. Beamer, adorable. We're about to go to the right over here pretty soon. People are from Connecticut. Look, no lights on. That's adorable. It's kind of cute. They seem sketchy. Let's follow them. Look at this. Literally no lights. It's one way to do it, I guess. Maybe they're doing a drive-by shooting. Well, in Connecticut, it's actually, you don't need to have lights on your car to drive, because people only drive during the day there. It's a fact. Look it up. Google it. Oh, this is a bad place to be, because this is a merge. It's okay. Let's chill. We can relax. Nobody's freaking out. It'll be alright. Just like that. See? That guy's got no lights on either. I guess it's that time. Turn your freaking lights on, you stupid banana. Look at this idiot. How are you gonna drive with no lights on? How is that a thing? And now is where the gear works. You know what I mean? Now is where I need all the Goretex layers and all the under layers and all that, because this is where it's cold. Quick little 6 miles. No fuss, no muss. Beautiful. Nobody's behind me. Nobody's in front of me. No cops, because that would be most tragic. A little bit of traffic ahead, I guess. Just a touch, not too much. Inevitable. Some rubbernecking for the American Dream Mall, which I still haven't been to. Gotta check it out. Is it worth the dippings? Maybe. Gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful air. I know, I'm in the middle of traffic in New Jersey. the air is not beautiful, but it's still fresh, still nice and crispy and whatnot, you know. See how many lanes we got before I make that move. I do want to go to the right, but I'm not sure if oh, there. Luckily my bike is so quick where it doesn't particularly matter what move anybody's doing, as long as I decide on a move, it gets done. Yeah, I mean, it's warm. Tomorrow will be a good judge for this too, but right now I'm, you know, chilling. I don't even have my heated gloves on. The shoulders on the jacket do make some noise though. It is the noisy one. I was gonna pass to the right there, but it's not worth it. No real moves there. No motorcycles, but you know, it's okay. Sometimes it's okay to be the only one. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, right. Nice. Big truck. Big truck, baby. Look at that thing. Sweet. Alright, we got a mile. Mile until our exit. All good. This is where we just relax a little bit. There we go. There we go. Much better. Much better. There we go. This is it. This is our turn. That's right. We got a New Jersey person who is maybe gonna go. Yes, you could do it. What the fuck? Alright. Alright, I'll go around you. Should I go around this person, or is it gonna violate them? I think it's gonna violate them, but I can't do this. Had to be done. Had to be done. This shouldn't be as difficult. Should be more straightforward, actually. I don't know why I'm so scared, like I'm gonna get pulled over for that maneuver. I don't think anybody got incredibly upset. Who knows though? Come on, baby. Look at this guy. No turn signal? You're just gonna go for it? Might as well. Yeah, might as well just go for it. You know? I mean, who needs turn signals? We're in Jersey, bro. Anything goes. You saw how I just passed that man back there. Obviously anything goes around here. And now, we just chill. Now, we just relax. Here we go. About to take a little left over here. Just like that. That looks like Birdie Bird. It's not Birdie Bird. Thought it was. But it's not. And here we are. Alright, boys and girls, I will talk to you later.